As secure wireless networks evolve and expand, management doesn't have to become more complex. Ericsson's NetCloud Manager is an AI-powered cloud management application designed to simplify deployment, management, security, and troubleshooting of network endpoints, such as Ericsson Cradlepoint edge routers, adapters, switches, cellular and Wi-Fi access points, and virtualized gateways. The application facilitates the building of networks and the orchestration of policies across these endpoints. This includes the implementation of zero-trust secure networks, optimized SD-WAN, and enterprise private 5G networks. This presentation offers a high-level overview of NetCloud Manager and its capabilities for streamlined, secure network management. We start by logging into our Ericsson account. The primary navigation tabs are on the left side of the screen. Our account-level dashboard is at the top, providing an aggregated view of data for an account's network and services. Let's start at the Home tab, which displays online and offline endpoints and the account's data usage. This dashboard breaks down which modems are connected to which carriers, what service they are connected to, and what devices are online across the network. The aggregated WAN usage by day shows how much data was used across the account per day, and by which WAN source. Remember, WAN sources can include traditional wired Ethernet, LTE or 5G modems, Wi-Fi as WAN, and satellite. Next, the Geo View tab allows administrators to see the locations of their endpoints within a map based on their GPS locations. For endpoints that are not GPS-enabled, the connected cell tower can be used to approximate the location of the endpoint, or the location can be set manually by the administrator. Selecting an endpoint displays cellular health statistics for its LTE or 5G modem. Location tracking provides a historical view of an endpoint's location over a period. The Coverage tab displays a track of where vehicle devices have traveled and is color-coded to indicate the cellular signal strength and quality along that track. This cellular intelligence is important in mapping out an organization's scope of operations and where the cellular signal is excellent, good, fair, or poor. The Data Usage tab shows data usage statistics for devices or private cellular data. For devices, you can see usage by WAN type, modem, and even individual clients and applications. For private cellular, you can see traffic and clients usage. Administrators can access more details by clicking into the details of each tile. These include client usage info, such as MAC and IP addresses, connection type, and total data usage. Similar details can be viewed for applications being used in the network and data usage for categories of applications. You can also view data about individual applications. This provides valuable data on what is driving data usage. Rules can be implemented in a few ways to deny traffic types that do not conform to an organization's policies in NetCloud Manager based on these analytics. The Data Usage Dashboard report can be downloaded via the PDF icon on the summary page and highlights usage by WAN, modem, clients, and applications. The Cellular Data tab provides detailed data usage statistics based on individual carrier data plans. Selecting the Data by Cellular Provider tab and filtering to a specific carrier shows the account usage by day and month, along with average data usage. Scrolling down will show an analysis of data by carrier in the current billing period, displaying the predicted likelihood of exceeding the data usage allotment. Administrators can update the billing start date and set monthly limits for data plans. Alerts can be set to notify administrators when selected data usage limits have been met. Administrators who have access to traffic steering can create policies to steer traffic away from links based on data plan policies. The Health tab shows clickable summary tiles reflecting items such as AI insights, total WAN uptime, cellular health by carrier, logged failover events, quality of experience across the account, and a summary of configured traffic steering rules and events. The AI Insights card is available to accounts with devices licensed for advanced features. From this card, you can analyze device data to establish traffic baselines based on remote site activity, WAN metrics, and application usage. From this dashboard, administrators are alerted to device downtime caused by unstable connections or loss of connectivity with NetCloud Manager. The NetCloud OS Lifecycle tile shows future router OS upgrade requirements to remain within NetCloud's rolling 24-month window of support.